Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can get the highest resolution after editing your video with the CapCut application. You just need to open the CapCut and you just need to open the project that you want to save into the 4K or the highest resolutions settings. Let's say here I would like to save this video into the highest resolution of 4K, so you just need to take a look at this top side. There have been options here, 1080p, so you just need to tap it. If you want to get a 4K, just go drag or tap into the latest one. Don't forget to also change the frame rate to be the highest so that your video will move really smooth. And right after that, you just need to go change the code rate too if you want, so you can get the best video. And here you need to remember that the highest the resolution could be changed the estimated file size. So the higher the resolution, also the higher the file size could be. So whenever you're done, you just need to tap it to export and save your video. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.